Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy M34. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And here click OK, and now you can click skip introduction and click open permissions and click here to allow AI assistant to appear on top, and then click back, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.